Hey, yo, what it bees like? What it bees like? It's your boy, Super Son, Superman, 13th Son. What's up? Oh, let me turn my smooth jazz down a little bit here. Oh, shoot, hey, turn it down. Sorry, jazz. Alright, check this out. No, this right here, this happened in 22nd December 2011, Gregorian time. When one dude was actually about more science and stuff. I was like, that's self science. You go learn on your own, really. But since a lot of people out here, we have the agents out here nowadays amongst us that always preaching black power and this and that and everything. And I keep telling people these people are agents. They may sound good, talk a lot of good knowledge and everything, scholars and stuff, but they're agents because they don't know the true history. And they only go on what they hear. They go straight from America back to Kemet. They skip all Moorish history, 800 years and all this stuff. They don't know nothing from 1492. They don't know slavery. It was the 1700s until the 1800s, about 100 years or something like that. Not even that really, because we was fighting them for wars. I'm gonna break that down real quick too. But first, let me just talk about this. This right here is from the mayor office of Chicago. Let's read it with me. It's a this the dude right there, Rahm Emanuel. He's with the Obama administration right now. He's something deputy somebody up there in his administration. I don't know what it is because I don't keep up with none of that crap. But it shows you, read it. See, the Moorish Americans, descendants of the ancient Moabites, Hamites, Canaanites, who were permitted by the old pharaohs of Kemet to traverse from East Africa and later formed themselves kingdoms extending from the northwestern and southwestern shores of Africa, the Atlantic island, onto the present-day continental Americas. Now that goes back to Kemet. You see what I'm saying? Because the Moors are the true light bearers of the world, and all the light came out of ancient Kemet. Even all your little so-called freedom masonry, where they stored information from, comes from the Moors. And the people who try to deny this history, try to deny the Moors, they Satan. That's all it is. Because they're against the Moors. I keep telling people this. Okay, I tell you the word the indigenous Moorish peoples of the Americas are now united in order to link themselves with the family of nations. Because we got to come back into the families of nations on the international court level. And a lot of people trying to give information to help y'all out because they know the way the world is headed. And only the Moors got the light to really save this whole world. But Satan is in control, and now I got everybody out here atheists and hating any kind of higher beings or higher power. So a lot of people are afraid now, and they drop the information they only can give hints because Satan's gonna come and kill them off quick. CIA is Satan. You know what I'm saying? NASA is Satan. All of them is Satan people. This real talk. So the mayor, he come out and give a proclamation letting y'all know this stuff is real. This the mayor. When he was the mayor of Chicago. He drops it right there for you. So hey, what you gotta say now? Oh, where's the signature down here? Let me see, can I bring it? How can I lower this down? Bring his signature down. Let me see, can I bring this down? His signature down there. Drop that down there. How do I make that go up a little further? Well, his signature. You see his signature down at the bottom. I'm trying to figure out how to open this all the way up. I don't know. Okay, go down no further. Well, anyway, because I'm looking at the PDF file, you can see the whole paper. I sent the PDF file, whatever. You can go look it up. You can go look up the name itself and look at that itself. But let's go to this one right here. Let's click over to this one, and let's go up here. Y'all know I ain't no computer expert and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So stop laughing at me. Why I sent it? God dang it! Before I said what you call it? What you call the thing? Ball at your ass. Well, anyway. Oh God dang! Why won't this thing accurate? But anyway, shoot. Bump it. Well, read again. Proclamation affirming Moors are Aboriginals, and you see you see right there, and this right here is from some other states. There's Chicago. Here's on December 22nd, and see that 2012 kick it off, and they was giving you hints, but a lot of people didn't catch heed to what's going on, and so you got the other states was dropping the stuff too, letting you know. Why people out here denying, Moors is something fake, and they're people just making crap up and all this bull crap like that. Man, y'all better wake up. Can I lower this stuff down? Why can I lower this junk down? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, but it's right there. This is stuff that's on the record, for the record. The continental not Continental Congress, but in Congress, on judiciary records in Congress. So all this other crap I hear the people be out here trying to push all that black shit. I told you that's a dead language. They ain't talking shit. They dead. Because black means bleach, something that's dying off, and you got a curse on your ass. You know, by the way, since I'm talking like this, let me go ahead and no, I ain't gonna do this because I got to show my face when I start going in on the But anyway, I just want people to know, thinking when I be talking junk about Moors and all this kind of stuff, you got the government places giving you, dropping you info. International course in 1949 started. Then I think it's Satan. Every time we did something, Satan went against it. So every time we did something, Satan came right back. 49, we get back on the course, the international course or whatever. 54, 55, something like that. That mulatto Eisenhower, he tried to take away the consular course, which is the Moorish courts, and they implanted Martin Luther King, which was a plant, an agent, to lead people away from the Moorish movement to civil rights. And civil, look at the word civil, C-I-V-I-L, is evil rights, which is Scottish rights. So Satan led the people away. And then in 65, that's when they started calling people black and all that kind of stuff. They gave you so many different names to get you away from your Moorish heritage, because you was never called a Negro. You can't be a Negro. Go look up the etymology of the word and you'll understand why you can't be a Negro. You know what I mean? And then you look up color. You can't be color because, color, if you really want to break it down, color, who's color? Color is somebody who changes colors. But I ain't gonna get into that right there, you know what I mean? Because I can break it down. I ain't gonna do that. But you can't be Negroes, you can't be color, and you can't even be Christian. Because that's something that's in the United States Constitution, telling you that you want to be property, a United States citizens. You can't even be United States citizens. That's the biggest part. So if you can't be a citizen, you're not connected to no kind of nationality. You're stateless. Use a ward of the state. So that's why you consider property, and nobody gives a damn when they kill you, because nobody goes to jail for you, because you're not nobody. You're considered invisible. Use a silhouette, because the only thing that's silhouette on the planet is what? Target practice. Black. That's the police target practice. Y'all think I'm just joking. I mean, this real. So when you call yourself that, you saying you dead. Nobody gives a damn. They can kill you if they want to. I'm trying to save your lives, but you don't hear it though. Since you don't give a damn at yourself, just teach your youth who they is. And you stay your black ass who you want to be black and be a silhouette. Because I'm talking about real shit. Following all them agents up there. Them agents be talking all this junk. Where's the Resolution 33 at? Let me put up Resolution 33. I gotta have to find that crap on. Resolution 33 back in 1933 on the records, for the records in Congress. Told the Moors who they is. I don't know these people always talking. These people, all the people talk about Moors ain't nothing but agents. All the people trying to get people to call this up black is nothing but government agents, some goddamn Nazi, Zionist, satanic devils. And guess what? All them people who always talk all that junk about the Moors, they all call themselves gods. Ain't that something? Do that will. Aleister Crowley. You be your God. Do what the hell you want to do. Can't even, not even nationalize. Goddamn agents. This your boy, the Super Son, Superman. I'm out.